Hi all, I hope you're all doing fine. Welcome back to a recipe video. In today's video, I'll be making most of our all-time favorite snack, French fries, along with mustard mayonnaise. Let's get into the recipe. Required ingredients: 1 whole egg at room temperature, sunflower oil, twice the quantity of egg, quarter spoon pepper powder, quarter spoon mustard seeds, 1 teaspoon vinegar, salt as required, and lemon juice of half a lemon. Coarsely grind mustard seeds manually before adding it into the mixer jar. It is very simple to make mayonnaise. Just add all ingredients one after another into the mixer jar and just grind them. Adding in the egg. Oil you add should always be twice the quantity of egg. Add in sunflower oil now. Mustard seed powder. Salt required, pepper powder, squeeze in lemon juice of half a lemon, add in 1 teaspoon of vinegar. Also add 1 teaspoon of water and just close and run the mixie at high speed. You could see white mayonnaise-like texture coming in. In just few minutes, your homemade mustard mayonnaise is all ready. A perfect texture of mayonnaise is ready. Adding in a teaspoon of ketchup to get some sweetness in the mayonnaise. It is completely optional. Before making French fries, let's give some credit to the person who came up with the idea of making everyone's all-time favorite snack. Let's get into its twisted history. In late 1600s, Belgian villagers used to slice their fish really thin, fry them and eat it as a snack. But in winter months, the river would freeze and it would get difficult for villagers to fish. And so they came up with an idea of slicing and frying potatoes the same way as they would do fish. Thus, the earliest version of French fries were born. During World War I, when American soldiers tasted the fried delicacy, they immediately fell in love with it. Since the dominant language of southern Belgium is French, the name French fries came. Let's see the French connection it has. It is claimed that French fries were first sold by street vendors in Paris in 1780s and thin potato fritters were sold popularly in France. So even till date, the dispute is still unsettled if it's originated in France or Belgium. Today I have taken frozen French fries. Frozen foods are generally baked, but today I'll be deep frying them. Take oil in a pan, once hot, add in the frozen fries into it, and let it fry until it turns golden brown. You can put the flame in between medium to high. Once golden brown, you can remove it from the oil into a tissue. Your crispy French fries are just ready. These frozen fries are store-bought. You can also make it at home in few steps. Peel the potatoes, just cut them as shown, and soak it in water so that the starch of the potatoes is removed. Next, take water in a pan and allow it to boil. Once it starts boiling, add in the potatoes into it and let it cook for 3 to 4 minutes. After 3 to 4 minutes, blanch the potatoes in cold water. Once the potatoes cool down completely, remove them from cold water and pat dry them on dry tissues. Once they are dried, add in some corn flour into it and give it a mix. Transfer it into Ziploc covers and put them in deep freezer, and you can fry them whenever needed as shown. Pre-preparing them in bulk and storing in freezer is always handy. You can just make this yummy evening snack in few minutes. I hope you enjoyed watching this video on making French fries, knowing its history along with the mustard mayonnaise dip. Thank you for watching and please don't forget to subscribe.